You've reached Tuck Notes Beginner. No. Yeah. How to Garden 101. Here I am underneath this tree, little tree. I've been watering for probably 6 or 7 years. Hasn't grown much at all. Actually, it did. We just cut it. Never mind. But standing on a bunch of rocks, of which I hauled from way up. Way up there, like around the corner and up, and then bring it down like 10 times with the forklift, the wheelbarrow. That's not how to. Well, that is how you do it, and that's about how much you need to give you a ballpark figure. I'll walk away and give you a bird's eye view so you have an idea of how much rocks we used and covered. It's not like, it's like 1.5 layered. And then we have this black cloth that we cut and we plant and we placed over both of these trees. He's looking for you. And what it does is it protects the weeds from growing up. So it's a weed protector. He's at